Hello, good morning student. See, we have to learn today biology, chapter number 1 and nutrition in plants. Okay, what's it? All living organisms require, all living organisms require food. See, we have to see the all living organisms is require the food. See, we are learning in this chapter nutrition in plants. See, we have to see the all living organisms is require the food. What say? Plants and animals. See, including the plants and animals. Plants and animals. See, this one, all living organisms require the food. Without food, we can't survive our life. See, food is a requirement. It is our body metabolism. Next, we have to see the organism need to take food. See, these all organisms need to take the food to obtain energy. See, the food is given to us to obtain energy, to obtain the energy. What will happen in our stomach? There is no food. What will happen? See, hunger pangs is increasing in our stomach. We have to consume. See, otherwise what will happen? See, we can't walk, we can't do any work, we can't listen what saying the teacher. See, that's why it is a food is a giving to our body to energy. See, it is a food is a requirement is there. Next, to obtain energy, obtain mineral for growth. Mineral for growth. See, it is a required for growth also. See, food is a required for, it is a repair of body cells. Repair of body cells. See, different types of food we have to take. See, it is a minerals is a required for growth. Next, repair body cells and tissues and to minerals. See, damaged part of the body. The process of taking food by any organisms as well as utilization of food. This food by organisms is called nutrition. See, taking of food from any organisms. See, we are calling the nutrition. See, we are getting the nutrition from plant product and animal product. See, the process of taking food, the process of taking food by any organisms, by an organisms and organisms as well as the utilization utilization of this food, utilization of this food by organisms is called nutrition. See, this is a nutrition. The process of taking food by an organism as well as utilization of this food by organisms is called nutrition. See, we have to take different types of nutritions. Our mother also saying you have to take this type of nutrition. It will be help to the growth of our body. See, your muscles will be strong. See, our skin will be glow. See, because of we have to take the food, a particular, see, mineral rich food, see, protein rich, carbohydrates and vitamins. These all food is required to our body. See, we have to take this type of food. Next we have to see the mode of nutrition. What is mode of nutrition? We have to see the mode of nutrition. See, we have to take, see, two types of nutrition is there. See, two type of nutrition. One is a autotrophic nutrition. See, we have to see the autotrophic nutrition. And another one is a heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. See, autotrophic and heterotrophic. What is autotrophic? Auto means self. Trophic means food. See, self, they are preparation of the food substances. We have to see the plants is a autotrophic nutritions. See what they, the organism which can make food themselves from simple substances. The organisms which make food themselves from simple substances, we are calling the autotrophic nutritions. The organisms which cannot prepare their own food, we are calling the heterotrophic nutritions. Here we have to write the example is a plants, green algae, some bacteria also. Here examples is a animals or animals. See this slide, we have to write the examples autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now we have to discuss about detail the autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Auto means autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. See, we have to see the autotrophic nutrition. Here autotrophic means they are using simple substances from their surrounding. We have to see the carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water through root in the presence of chlorophyll. See, we have to write the sunlight here. Sunlight, chlorophyll. See, here is a prepare the carbohydrate. See, this is the reactions. See, this is a, we have to write the word equation also. Carbohydrate. See, this is a carbon dioxide. See, this is a water. And this is a carbohydrate. And this is a oxygen. Okay. See, here we have to draw the first of all plant diagram. See, this is a plant. The plant has a roots this like, and this plant has a leaves also. See, this like leaves. Okay. This is a plant, and here is a sun is there. Okay. See, they are observing the sunlight. Sunlight is observing. From atmosphere is a carbon dioxide is there. Carbon dioxide. They are getting the carbon dioxide also. See here in the water and minerals is there. Water and minerals. Through root they are absorbing the water and minerals. This like water. We have to write the only water. Water is absorbing. See, water is transporting through a stem towards the leaves. See, here is a chlorophyll is present. All plants has a, see, chlorophyll is there, green pigment. So it is a present and preparing the carbon from carbon dioxide, water and sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll, and it will be preparing the carbohydrate and releasing the oxygen. See, we have to see this is a releasing the oxygen in our atmosphere. See this like oxygen is a releasing. Means see autotrophic. Plants is a autotrophic. Carbon dioxide, water plus see carbohydrate plus oxygen. Is the reaction is a balance? No. We have to keep the 6 carbon 6. Okay. Here 6 carbon is there. Here 6 carbon. Carbon is a balance. Next we have to see the oxygen. Oxygen is a 1 plus 12 oxygen, but here oxygen is a 6 plus 2, 8 is there, so it is a imbalance is there. Next we have to see the hydrogen. 2 hydrogen is there, 12 hydrogen is there. See, we have to keep the 6 here, 12 hydrogen. Now we have to see the oxygen again balance. Imbalance is there oxygen 6. Here is a 6 to the 12 means 6 18. Okay, here now we have to see the 6 plus 6. It is a 6 plus 2 8. Imbalance is there. Now we have to see the oxygen also balance. See, we have to show that this reaction for this like oxygen is liberating in our atmosphere. So it is a autotrophic nutrition. See, this is a plant. See, always is a plants is a taking carbon dioxide and from a root to water and sunlight. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it will be prepare the carbohydrate and oxygen. This carbohydrate we are consuming and that oxygen we are respiring. See, that's why it is a plants is a very useful. Plants is a very useful. See, that's why we have to planting the more trees in our surrounding, and plants is a help to us directly or indirectly is a giving to food for us. See, thank you. See, next lecture for we have to learn heterotrophic nutrition.